In order to interact with Woonkly, we need to make us a wallet. In this video, I will show you how to install the Metamask wallet in an easy and safe way. The first thing we must do is enter metamask.io. But first, let's start with the security tips. Always enter official sites. Check until you are 100% sure that you are on an official site. In the description of each video, you will find the links to all the web pages shown in each of the videos. Once we are in metamask.io, we are going to click on the download now. We can see that Metamask is available for Chrome, iOS, and Android. Also note that it is available for Google Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge. Right now, I am using Google Chrome, so I will select this option. This page opens and we are going to click Add To. In this case, Chrome. I get this window and it tells me that Metamask can read and modify all the data of the websites that I visit. Display notifications, modify the data that is copied and passed. I am going to add the extension. Once it is downloaded and installed, we are going to start setting up our wallet. I am going to click here to start. We have two options. If we previously had a wallet and we want to restore it, we could use the option Import Wallet. In this case, we are new, so we are going to create a new wallet. I get this message where they ask me if we want Metamask or the Metamask development team to be able to collect data on how we interact with this extension. It also tells us that it will not collect sensitive information in any case. I will say no. Now it is asking me to create a password, minimum 8 characters. And something very important to keep in mind is that we cannot lose this password and we cannot forget it, since there is no database and we cannot write to the support team to remind us our password. So be very careful about the password that you are going to create here. You cannot forget it. If you forget it, no one will be able to help you. Use a password that you will not forget. Write it somewhere so that you do not forget it. Use whatever method you think is convenient, but you cannot lose it, okay? I am going to enter my password. I am going to confirm it. Once I have my password ready, I am going to accept the terms and conditions, and I am going to click on Create. Metamask will then reveal my recovery phrase. The recovery phrase consists of 12 words. These 12 words are used to restore my wallet in case my computer crashes or for some reason I no longer have access to it. With these 12 words, I can restore the wallet. Also, something very important and Metamask warns us is that we never reveal these backup or recovery phrases, since anyone who have access to this phrase will practically have access to our wallet and with it to our funds. I am going to click it to reveal the secret words. Another security tip is that you do this when you are alone in a private way. In that way, you make sure that nobody is seeing your computer and nobody can see these words. Now that we reveal the words, what we must do is write them down on a piece of paper, because in the next step, Metamask will ask me to put these words in the correct order. This way, Metamask makes sure that I have written down these words in the correct order and have access to them. Do not save these words here on the computer. Write them down on a piece of paper, and that paper will not be lost. Or you can use a USB exclusively to save these words. Do not use that USB for anything else and never connect it to the internet. Then I am going to write down these words on a paper. Once I have copied these words, I can click on Next. Now Metamask asks me to put the words in order. Once I have placed the words in order, I will click on Confirm. With this, we will have already created our wallet and we will simply have to click on this button. I am going to close this window, and in this way we will already have Metamask installed. In general, when installing Metamask, we can see it in this section here of the extensions. If it does not come out, as in my case, we are going to click here in Extensions, and we are going to click here in the pin. This way, being in a window, we can click on the Metamask icon to open it. This is how we install Metamask.